Okay, so we're wrapping up a day here. SDB Contracting Services here in Tempe, Angie and Craig Schmidt were kind enough to host this event. They actually came to my house and the other 3 volunteer builders to pick up all the desks, brought them here, we staged them. We had 40 desks we gave away today, and virtually everybody showed. We batted 1,000 today. It was great. And there was one grandmother who came all the way down from Flagstaff in the snow a couple hours away.
I am very thankful for the opportunity to have traveled here and to receive the desk on behalf of all my grandchildren.
We had a kindergarten teacher that we gave 12 desks to, and so it was just a great day. It went off as great as we could ever have expected. So we just want to say thanks again to SDB, and we hope that we do this a whole bunch more times, and we give a lot of kids a lot of desks. So we're going to keep doing more of it. Take care.